name's Kanaloa and I'm in grade 4.
My name is Emily and I'm in 5th grade.
Who came in PBL to teach us about his art?
Uncle Sam.
Uncle Sam.
What kind of art does he create?
Wood carving.
He carves on the ukulele.
What did Uncle Sam help us create?
He helped us create our own stories.
These wood carving.
What steps did we take to make our wood carvings?
First, he gave us wood and we had to draw the design. And then we carved the design. And then Auntie Chalei stained it for us.
My first one was baseball, and this meant because baseball is a challenge you have to overcome. My second one was family, and I chose that because family really matters. And my third carving was health. I chose this because you need to be healthy, because if you're not, you might be sick and have a bad illness. My last one was maths for family, education, because education is important because you grow. Your mind grows because of education.
What is the meaning behind your carvings?
House, friends, food, and family. This one represents house because it means like the land, and land is where my house is on. And then the second one is friends, and I chose this design because it means like family, and friends are kind of like family. And then this third one is family, and I chose this design because it means like it's like mats, and that's how where people come together. And then the fourth one is food, and I chose that design because it's like it's fish, and fish could be food.
Thank you.